Hey guys, I'm just filling you in. Prom is next Thursday, May 31st. So this week and next week is basically going to be me preparing for prom, which includes getting my eyebrows done, which today that's what I did. I got my eyebrows threaded. I get my eyebrows threaded all the time. I feel like they're just more cleaner and precise, and it's what I started with and I love it, so I'm not going to change my ways. Next Monday I'm going to get my nails done. And then I'm going to blow out my hair, I think Tuesday. But basically I'm going to take you along with the process and what I do to prepare for the big day, and just take you along, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And of course I will show you my dress and the finished product that day, so just stay tuned to everything. But these are my eyebrows, and yeah. Hey guys, so today is May 28th. And it's 3 days away from prom, so today is going to be the day that I go get my nails done. I'm going to do acrylic, but I'll show you guys when I get there what I do and how it comes out. I'm so excited for prom. It's coming so soon, so I'm going to be showing you guys more of how I prepare and get ready for the big day. So stay along with me as I get ready for prom. Hey guys, I am finally back home. I had such a long day. I did not film a lot because I was really running around, so I didn't really have time. But basically I'll just give you guys a little rundown of what I did. So I woke up this morning, went to go get my nails done for prom, and this is what I got. It's in the shade Bubble Bath by Essie. And I did acrylic, like a coffin shape. I really like it because it's simple and classy. Sorry, I'm like sick, but I went to do my nails with my friend. I got some coffee, and then after we went back to our house, ate lunch, and then we went to the mall. I had to go to Sephora to get some stuff for my makeup for prom, and I'm also like borrowing something from my friend for prom, so I had to go and get all of that done. We just walked around the mall, but it was really packed in the mall because of all the sales going on. Obviously it's Memorial Day, so it was too hectic to really do anything. So yeah, and then I came home now. I ate. Like I said, I'm not really feeling well, so I've been just like all like stuffy all day, but now I'm finally home and I have to shower and get ready for school tomorrow. Tomorrow night I'm actually going to blow dry my hair, because when you color your hair, you're supposed to not really do it the day that you wash it, or like the day you do it, because it's not gonna last and the curls will fall out easily. Like I curled my hair for my birthday 2 days ago, and it lasted because I had washed my hair 2 days prior. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair tomorrow night, and then that way Thursday it'll not be fully fresh and clean, so the curls will last longer. So that's what I'm going to do. And then yeah, I got my eyebrows done already like you saw before, and I'm going to actually do my toes myself because my shoes are closed toe, so it doesn't really matter, but I do my nails pretty well, so I'm just going to do those tomorrow as well, just to feel nice, obviously, because I might be going to the beach during the weekend of after prom. So yes, I'll keep you guys updated as we go and all of that. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm just gonna shop online tonight because it is summertime now approaching. So that's that for today. I'll see you guys back tomorrow. I'll show you my hair when it's blow dried, just to show you how I do it. And then prom day, you'll see everything like I said, and I'm really excited. I hope it's nice out that day. I really hope, because I want nice pictures and just have a really nice time. We're gonna have it at this really nice place. You guys will see tons and tons of pictures, and if you want to see more, follow my Instagram. I'll have it linked down below. Thank you guys for watching today's short little clip, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this vlog. Hey guys, today's May 29th, 2 days until prom. I'm about to blow dry my hair, and I quickly just wanted to show you guys what I'm going to be using to blow dry my hair. I personally love this product, and I think it's actually really cool and convenient. So I'm going to show you really quickly. So it's like a blow drying brush, and it's the Infinity Pro. Well, the O is like faded away, but it's by Conair, and it just looks like this. Instead of having to use a brush to guide you when you blow dry your hair, it's literally so easy and convenient. So I really like this product. It's not sponsored or anything, but I genuinely really like it, and this is what I use all the time when I blow dry my hair. So that's what I'm going to be using today. And I love the way my nails came out. Once again, I just love them. They're so like nice. And this is Bubble Bath, like I said. And also, this is my new bracelet that I got for my birthday from my friend. It's the Kate Spade Activity Tracker. It's kind of like a Fitbit, you could say. So I really like it. But anyway, so I'm gonna go do my hair and I'll show you guys how it comes out afterwards. So yeah, and I just got out of the shower, so I look a little crazy, but this is like how my hair naturally starts to dry. It's just really messy and I don't really like it. But yeah, so I'm so excited for prom. Right now the weather's not looking too great. Hopefully that changes, but what can you do, you know? So I'm gonna go get this started and I'll see you guys after. Okay, guys, this is my hair after I just blew it out and touched it up a little bit in the front with the flat iron, but not too much because I don't want it to be like flat. I still want it to be like thick and voluminous a little bit. But yeah, it literally took me 30 minutes to achieve this. So now my hair will be good to go. Thursday I will do whatever my hairstyle I'm going to be doing for prom, which is going to be curls, but you'll see the finished product of what I do that day, of course. So yeah, this is literally it for today, and the next time you'll see me is probably prom day. So I'm so excited. I hope all goes well, and I'll bring you along inside the place. Actually, I'm gonna probably record a little bit on my phone just because I don't want to bring this and have to worry about like losing it. But I will record on my phone like the cocktail hour, like the view, because it's such a nice venue, the outdoor part, the food that we're going to be eating, the inside of the actual dining place where we're going to be eating at and dancing. So I'll show you guys all of that. So thank you guys for watching today's part of getting ready with me, and I hope you guys stay tuned for prom day. Hey guys, today is prom day, and I'm starting the vlog a little late for today because basically our school required us to be in school for at least 4 hours, so I had to go to school. I woke up this morning, literally just threw on a hoodie and some leggings because the weather isn't great today. It's like 69, which I actually don't mind that it's chilly out because I don't want to be sweating like if it was like 90 degrees, you know. But so we had to go to school, and then I have lunch 6th period, which ends at 12:18 for us. So they just let us leave at 11:30 when the period started, so I didn't have to go back. And I had to run a lot of errands today. So basically after I left, I went to Bed Bath & Beyond because I wanted to get like a vanity, like a mirror for when I do my makeup that had like the ring light, so that would be easier for me. So I ran and I got that, and I got some batteries, and I got an umbrella. Hold on, give me a second. I'll show you guys really quickly what I had to get. I can take it out really quick. But I had a lot of time because my prom doesn't start today until 7 to 11. So like I had plenty of time, like it wasn't a big deal for me. So first I got this My Fold-Away mirror from Bed Bath & Beyond. And it's just this light mirror. It's like 10 times like magnification. And it's just simple, and I liked the white because it's easy and it folds, obviously. So yeah, I like it, and it's like the light up one, which is perfect for today. And I just had to get batteries to go inside of it, and then I got a big umbrella because sadly it is like, it's not raining, it's like a misty type of rain, which is like so freaking annoying. So it's like a misty rain right now, but hopefully, you know, it changes. As of right now, sorry, my hair's like a mess, but as of right now, it looks like it's gonna go away, the rain. So I'm really hoping that it goes away. So right now it's 1:45, and my plan for right now is I'm going to, I just ate a little something, like a little blueberry muffin. I'm gonna go take out my heels, and I have the sticky bra that I need. I'm gonna take out my heels and I'm gonna set up my makeup station. I'll just lay out everything I need for my makeup, including my mirror, just set it all up. Then I'm gonna take a quick shower, wash my body off. Obviously my hair's like blow dried already, so I just need to curl it. When my sister gets home, she's gonna help me do that. And I want my hair to be done. I have 3, she's gonna be home from work, so from 3 I hope it's done by like 4. So I'm gonna start my makeup, and then we're going to take pictures somewhere, I believe at 5. So yeah, the place is like pretty far, not pretty, like it's like 20-30 minutes, but there will be probably traffic. So I just want to get everything done, and just set everything up so that I'm not like missing anything. Like I have to get my rings, and then also I have the corsage and the boutonnieres in the fridge. I also got that after school, I forgot to mention. And then I just ran to the grocery store to get some stuff. But yeah, that was my morning today. It was nice outside before, it was just cloudy, so hopefully this little rain drizzling business goes away. But yeah guys, so that's what's been going on right now. And I will bring, I'm not gonna bring my camera like I said, but I will be trying to record at least like the food and like the appetizers and the view of the place, obviously all of that stuff I will be doing. And I will be posting pictures, of course, and you guys will see everything. So I will be back shortly to keep updating you guys throughout the day and showing you how my hair turns out. So just keep on watching. What type of games are being played? How's it going down? So until we gone, and I got to know now. Is you with me? You was living at the London for a month. Service elevator up to 4201. We was still a secret, couldn't come in through the front. Girl, I had your back when all you used to do was. Hey guys, I forgot to close out the video from after prom, obviously because it was so late, but I had such a fun time. It was honestly so nice. The place was nice, even though the weather wasn't like sunny or anything. It wasn't raining when we got there, so it all turned out to be fine. I had a great night, and I just want to close out the video here. And don't worry, I will be inserting footage or small clips of when I was at prom, because obviously I wanted to enjoy myself. I wasn't going to bring my camera. So I hope you guys enjoyed this prom 2018 video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.